Well, I guess you already know where I am today. Let's hope for some beautiful Lambos. How long is it gonna take them to close the gates? Probably 5 to 10 minutes. Let's see. Oh, Huracan STO with the bold spec, yeah. Alright, we have a Urus incoming. But I'm pretty sure there is something coming out from the gate, so let's see. Yeah. Oh, it's a sterrato. Oh, another one. It's a Technica with the flow calipers. Awesome. Oh, Urus from the other direction. That's not the usual gate. Interesting. Just like this other one. Yeah, hybrid Urus in the testing. Quick note, interestingly, after more than half an hour, the gates are still open. What's going on? Oh, I hear a V10. Nice STO. It happened. It finally happened. Told you. Whoa, V10 incoming? Yeah. Probably the sterrato from before. Yeah, pretty interesting. So matte finish over the black body and blue details on the wheels. With the blue calipers also. Nice, I like this one. Different from the others I've seen before. Oh my god, check out the spec on this Revuelto. Amazing. Alright, could it be the Technica from before? The one with the flow calipers? I think it is. Yeah, definitely. Hey, take a listen. Where is it? Oh, another sterrato. White with the green calipers. Oh, another Urus hybrid, check it out. It's running in another direction. You can run, but you can't hide. Take a look. It's right there. My guess is that it's doing all this loop around the factory just to get in from the other gate. I mean, I don't get it. We've seen it many times already, and it's also pretty camouflage, so why are they doing this? Can you hear it? It definitely got in from the other gate, for some reason. Okay, Urus Performante, very nice color. Okay, the good old blue Technica. Oh, oh hell yeah, another Revuelto, yes! side there is probably a V10 coming out. Oh yeah, Evo Spider. Another Urus Performante. Yeah, pretty usual Urus S. Okay, another Evo Spider, but with a much beautiful spec. Oh, can you remember this one? Yeah, exactly, that was meant to be the pace car for the Lamborghini 60 Giro that unfortunately got cancelled. Take a listen. V12. Alright, fairly simple spec for this Terrato, but I really love the car. Oh yes, it's the beautiful spec from before. Check it out, wow. Oh, come on, the electric mode. Ah. Oh, couple of Uruses coming in. First one, oh, and a Performante behind. Yes, this is a Urus S, a very basic spec Urus S. And this is a Performante with the red calipers. Oh, another Performante. Yeah, I definitely like the color on this one. Beautiful.
Vai a destra. Vai a destra, Joe. Vai a destra.
Okay, that was pretty funny. I just don't get why they are still trying to hide this thing when it's been more than 1 year since its first appearance. And I mean, I have like 20 videos of this thing, so why? Just why? Oh, wow, nice spec on the Technica. Yes! Okay, this should be the Huracan Evo. The one with the nice spec. Yeah, nothing really crazy, but I really like the shade of blue. Oh yes, it's the beautiful spec on the Technica. Okay, honestly, I'm not really sure on the calipers, but at least it's very different from the other ones, and I really appreciate that. Okay, that should be the Urus for the 60th anniversary Giro. Yes, indeed. Check out the details here on the door. Oh, it also has this interesting livery. Nice. Okay, another Urus S with the white spec, yellow calipers and yellow details on the wheels. Let's go! Yes! Oh, it's a purple Urus Performante! Wow! Lovely, lovely spec. Wow. Oh, here it is once again. Let's take a closer look at this thing. Check out this incredible color under the sun. Oh, and it's not alone. Okay, it's the white Urus S from before with the yellow details. Oh yeah, it's the blacked out Performante. It's been several weeks since we've seen this one. Nice, the black fits the Performante so damn well. What's going on? Alright, Performante, dark grey with the red calipers. Oh, come on, focus please. It's the white Evo Spider from a couple hours ago. Yep, green calipers, painted rear diffuser. Nah, I don't like that one. But hey, great car, right?